Hi, Susan here with you, and I just wanted to share some of the beauty of the background with you today. Mike and I had the opportunity to spend a week in the Great Smoky Mountains, which is kind of in our backyard. We live in East Tennessee, and we're doing that for a special reason. As you know, we just released our course, How to Anxiety Proof Your Mind. And of course, for the last several months, we've been working diligently on that to bring the best we can to you. So this was a perfect time. And I just want to talk a little bit about the importance of retreat. Even though you can't get away, when you can't get away, it doesn't matter. It's so important every day to find a special time and a special place in your life, in your home, in your backyard, on your back deck, wherever you can, just to listen to yourself, to listen to God, and to have some special quiet time to restore and replenish yourself, emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. That's all I need to say today. We'll be back later with some more tips for you. Thanks so much. Goodbye.